So I made this little guy right here from one of those pen style knife sharpeners that you can buy for 10 bucks, something like that. And I cut it in half and I drilled a hole in it and I just attached it to my keychain. So now I've always got it on me and I can sharpen my knife anywhere I'm at. Pocket knives these days are coming with some really hard steels. And that for the most part is a good thing. They hold an edge well. The only downside that I've found is that they're really hard to sharpen. I know too many people who let their knives get dull and then they're frustrated that they can't get it back. Once this edge geometry is gone, you almost need a belt sander to get it back. And that's why I put a knife sharpener on my keychain. I've found that the best way to keep it razor sharp is to sharpen it every time you use it. So I'm going to show you how I did this with very minimal tools. All I used was a Dremel, a vise, and sandpaper. The build is pretty self-explanatory, so we'll just touch base at the end. So that was about a 15-minute project. What I'm working on now is a sheath for the sharpener, and what I'm using is polyester elastic banding. I got it from Walmart and it's really inexpensive. I don't put a whole lot of time into these sheaths, so I'm just using a stapler here because I've lost a lot of these over the years. These ones here are pretty crude, but they're really easy to replace and really easy to make. I've had one of these on my keychain for about 7 years now. And I found that it really is a game changer for keeping your knife sharp. I really haven't had any issues with it really marring my keys much, anything like that. I can see a little wear on there, but nothing bad. There's a lot of things you see on YouTube that look neat, but maybe you would never use. This isn't one of those projects. You will use it, I guarantee you that. So I hope you got something out of this video. I thank you for watching and have a good one.